Stop guessing and start knowing how your Wix website visitors behave by installing Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics. First, log into your Wix dashboard and click on Marketing and SEO, usually found on the left side navigation panel. Then, click on Marketing Integrations. Next, click on Google Analytics to start the connection. You may be prompted to connect your Google account. Once you have set up the Google Analytics settings, move to the next step. Now, let's head over and set up Google Tag Manager. This tool helps you manage various tracking tools on your website. Go to tagmanagergoogle.com and sign in with the same Google account you used for Google Analytics. Click Create Account, and then enter your account and container information. The container name should be your website's URL. Select Web as the target platform, then Create. You'll be presented with a pop-up including your Google Tag Manager code, one for the head greater than section and one for the body greater than section of your website. Head back to your Wix dashboard. In the Marketing Integrations section, you'll find a section for Google Tag Manager. Paste the head code into the designated field. You don't need to paste the body code. Within Google Tag Manager, go back to the Overview tab. Create a new tag for Google Analytics. Select Google Analytics GA for configuration. Add your measurement ID, which you can find within your Google Analytics admin settings. Publish your changes, and that wraps it up. Give your website a few hours, and after that, you'll then be able to track your website traffic and user behavior within Google Analytics. Now you have more data for your Wix website.